So my basic question is like for diabetics,
Diabetes, you can.
yeah, diabetics,
Yeah.
if it contains any sweet or something like that, they may feel like they suspect it might increase the glucose levels when after it has taken. Then how do you react for this? Like,
Okay.
do you have any data supporting data for
Yeah.
this?
So actually, the answer to this is the opposite to your question. Cordyceps are hypoglycemic, so they will reduce your diabetes level. They will not increase the diabetes level. So they are hypoglycemic. So they are safe and can be consumed even by kids. Absolutely.
And what about like dosage and all? Like according to the age,
Yeah.
how many vials per day, or
Yeah.
like
Children till the age of 12 years can take one vial a day, and adults can take three vials a day. So we recommend them to take up to at least 10 to 12 days.
and the storage, can we keep it in the room temperature, or we have to keep it in the fridge, or how many days we can keep it in our safe?
So this can be kept at room temperature. It is for room temperature only. Just do not expose it to direct sunlight. And you can the shelf life value for this is up to 2 years. You can store it for 2 years.
Usually, over the time, the chemical in the plastic or something, whatever bottling material you're using, it may react with the ingredients, like medicine or immunity booster liquid, what is there inside. Do you have any study on that, whether
Yes.
this plastic is reacting with that product?
The plastic, it is not plastic, but it is a food grade plastic. So it is absolutely safe and certified. Yeah.
And when this product will be available in the market, and where the customer can get this product?
So this product is exclusively available from today at our marketing and distribution channel network through News and Herbals Private Limited, and you can start your orders from their website newsand.com.
In the press note, you have mentioned that it is like it has been submitted to the government of India, and the clinical trials are in progress,
yes.
and it will be available from the 2021
Yes,
as a
yes,
New Year gift. But
yes.
you are saying it is available from today.
Yeah.
Like, is there any?
Yes. Okay, so basically, this is a food category product. So food category product is available from today. So I'll just introduce you to my partner. His name is Gaurvendra Gangwar. He's from Ambrosia Food Farm Company. So we have partnered, and they have submitted their cordyceps capsule for human trials already, and it has already started in three very big hospitals: AIMS Nagpur, and Navi Mumbai MGM. So they are already running, and once these clinical trials are out, then this food category supplement will now become
Okay.
a
Medicinal.
medicinal product. Yeah. So now currently it is a food supplement. It is not a medicinal product.
Thank you, sir. This product will help in this pandemic crisis for all the sufferers, like all the whole all over the world. Thank you very much, and congratulations.
Thank you.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైతే చెప్పారో ఫుడ్ సప్లిమెంట్, అగైన్ క్లినికల్ ట్రయల్స్ లో సమ్ క్యాప్సూల్స్ కూడా క్లినికల్ ట్రయల్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి, గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాకి సబ్మిట్ చేశామని చెప్తున్నారు. ఏంటిది ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏంటి, దానికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి?
There is a very simple difference. The whatever the product you are seeing here is a food product. It is not as a curative medicine. Means if somebody is ill, you cannot just give them the food product to just cure them. Okay. But for curative purpose, you need a proper trials, proper channels, which is already conducted in AIMS Bhopal, AIMS Nagpur, and MGM Navi Mumbai. So they are just conducting this trial. So they are getting the results. Okay, based on the data and results, we will get the approval, and that will be the curative medicine. At that time, you can give them a ill person who is suffering from the corona. Okay, so there is a two thing. If you are not suffered with the corona, if you want to protect yourself, you want to immune yourself, you can take this food product. But if somebody is just getting the infected with the COVID-19, you can just give this curative medicine after the trial when it will come out in the market.
You're using both, like same ingredients both in the food
No. The thing is that here in there is a curcumin and cordycepin only, but in capsule there are multiple of chemicals are there. Okay, I cannot reveal now the name because it's a part of the research. Once the research will be over, the scientists from the AIMS Nagpur, AIMS Bhopal, and MGM Navi Mumbai, they will come out as a press conference, and they will speak about the which kind of chemical and how it's just protecting from the COVID-19. It's how it's curing it.
You'll be claiming it as a herbal medicine or a normal regular chemical medicine?
Now it's already just conducting a human trial as a Ayurvedic medicine under the Ayush. Okay, but once we are just getting the approval, we are just trying to get it the DCGI approval as a allopathy, because it can cure. And when it's come cure, it can be spread to the all over the India and all over the world as a curative medicine.
Total, how many subjects you are using? Like how many patients or how many human trials? Are there any human trials going on, or still it is in under process of like animals and pigeons?
No, all other the preclinical trials are already over. Now human trial conducting. The 2nd of October we have started the human trial. The total strength is 60 people. Okay, we are conducting the double blind placebo randomized test. Okay, so where we are using both the placebo and the drug also, and we are just getting the results slowly, and we are hoping that on 30th October the trial will complete, and before Diwali we will announce the results of COVID-19 and this drug.
How did you select the subjects? Because the combination of different multiple problems, medical problems, or are you expecting that each and every one which might be having comorbid conditions also take this medication, or any restrictions for this?
Actually, this is a herbal medicine, so there is no restriction at all. But in human trial, we are just having some criterias. Okay, so not less than 5 years, not more than 90 years, and it should not be the severe infected one. It's a mild infection because we are conducting the human trials. Okay, so this is we are conducting, and on CTRI you can just put my company's name and a human trial. So you will get all the information how we are selecting, because on CTRI we are already registered. Okay, so we are conducting this human trial, so you can get all the information from the CTRI.
Now, if you take favipiravir, they are suggesting almost to take 8 to 10 tablets a day. Now, do you have any are you expecting the number of tablets they have to take for treatment of corona? Do you have any data for that?
In human trials, actually in our protocols, we are suggesting them 3 capsules in a day, morning, afternoon and evening. So on basis of it is human trial is going on. Okay, so 3 capsules are enough for a day, and it's a very good product, and it's impacting very peacefully and very effectively now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best for this product. The medicine also.
That's a Corona Mukt Bharat. Soon it will be a reality in India. Thank you very much.
Please do subscribe Myra Media.
Please subscribe Myra Media. Subscribe to Myra Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media for lot of film news, gossips and hot news.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.
For more interesting updates, please subscribe to Myra Media YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe to Myra Media.
So like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.